Okay guys, welcome to Forensic Investigations unit. I've got the Moodle page open here and I'll just walk you through a little bit about how this course is going to run. So you'll see at the top of the Moodle page we have the unit will be delivered by me, Nick Savage, and Adam Swan, who will be taking the final week in the teaching block. The delivery is going to be a little bit different. We have a lab, BK011, booked every Tuesday morning, and it's available for you to use from 9 o'clock in the morning till 12. However, sessions will only be supervised every other week, and we have an intensive teaching week at the end of the teaching block. A little bit of background about Adam Swan is also there, and I've put a good companion for this unit, and I've given a link there to one of the Cybery courses. Let me just flick to that a second. This is a Cybery course on computing and hacking forensics. I've actually linked directly some of the material here, but I'd recommend following this course at the same time. There's some really good stuff here on Windows forensics, recovering, deleting files, and I believe that there's some stuff on image files as well. And I think that will also be a good companion to the material that you'll be covering here. So we'll start off. There's an introduction to the unit, and now the materials that you'll see here will probably have changed by the time you actually look at this, but there's some background material, some practical material, and I'll try to put some challenge or something for some of the sections as we go through the year. So this is the first week that you're taking this unit. This will be only online. And then the week after that, we have the first lab on Windows Registry. So this week, you really need to prepare the image that you're going to be using for the bulk of this unit, prepare that image for examination, and also find out some stuff about the image that's been given to you. We then move on to looking at the Windows Registry of that image, and this will be a supervised session in the lab. You have 2 weeks to work through that material. We then move on to internet browsers and the information that you can extract from the internet browser that you have on your image. Again, we have 2 weeks for that. We then move on to some email forensics, and there's a link to some data that you'll have to use for the laboratory there. You have some background information on file sharing that is available online. So there'll be background material here, there'll be a little video that I'll do here as well. Then we have some network forensics, there's some captures that you need to use for the practical lab. You have 2 weeks to do that. And then we have the final session I'm taking, which is on images and fuzzy hashing. And you have a couple of weeks to do that before moving on to Linux forensics, live forensics, which is memory forensics, and then the forensic of mobile phones, which Adam Swan will be taking on the final week of the teaching block. Adam will also be giving support for the assignment, and the assignment is due out, or will be given out on the 14th of March. It's then due back in the final week in April. Okay, so well, I hope you enjoy the course. Thank you very much.